Alright, y'all, we got a grudge race coming up. Got my bro Stevie. Stevie finna go in the battle with Mustang. Hey, the Mustang on the gas, ain't it, Stevie? Yeah. He on the gas, Stevie on the gas, turbo. Small, way smaller engine though. Y'all know how this thing get down, so we finna see what it do. We gonna see what it do. We got the Supra versus Mustang, so y'all put in the comments who y'all think gonna take it. Who y'all think gonna take it.
I gotta line you up now. You got 2 probably, right? Hey, he get lane toward now. He want to go over there. You going over there? Okay. You gotta come over here. Oh, they gathering. He get lane toward.
Yeah, good, right? I can't remember if they still doing it now, so. 2 in the break. Alright, y'all, so we get Mustang getting 2 in the break. 2 in the break to the 8th mile, so this should be pretty interesting. The Supra looked like it was coming, but I think it gave him a little too much, y'all. Mustang with the win.